Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we will talk about how to prune the calamansi. But before that, I gonna show you how I repotted my calamansi tree. As you can see, my new pot is a little bit bigger than the old one. You could use the black soil with the mix of tiny stones or sand, and the soil must be well drainage soil, and that that the water couldn't stack up. And be sure after repotting your plants, you should have to watering it. I did use natural fertilizer like pre-nisel yacht. That's what we called her in Germany. I put water in the container and put also the pre-nisel in it, because the pre-nisel has more nutrients in it, and just like the peeling of the bananas or something else, like fruit peelings, you can also use that as a fertilizer and just put it in the water, and you can use it as natural fertilizer to your plants. So we harvested almost every day to make a sauce or a sausawan. We don't need to buy to the market anymore if you want to have a sauce that day with the fish sauce or calamansi juice. Then you can just pick anytime. So I pruned my calamansi tree like this. Every time I saw young leaves or shrubs, then just cut it off.
Putulon natin to siya para hindi po siya mag-continue, para magstay lang siya sa kanyang shape at yung energy niya hindi mapunta doon sa bagong mga leaves. Ayan, putulin lang.
As you can see, so many fruits in there, but they are still
So
young.
this is what I've cut. Mga bago siya na tubo, kailangan siyang kuhain para yung energy hindi mapunta dito, kasi hindi naman to siya mamumunga. At maganda kung ang form ganyan lang siya, para mag-focus yung kanyang energy sa mga bulaklak at sa mga bunga. Nakapag-harvest na po kami dito ng 4 times na po. So this is very nice calamansi tree. Kahit sapat lang siya, pot. Di ba?
So guys, here they are after 1 month. Again, I cut the young one so that the energy will not go to the new leaves but focus on the fruits and the old shrubs. So we have calamansi every day and the whole year. And that's very, very nice because you sow it every day and every moment, and you take care of it, and you saw it how they grow, and you know that you didn't put any chemical in it, you didn't spray something, just um just natural fertilizer, and you put love in it. So that's how I prune my calamansi. Just wait a moment, guys. I'm gonna show you my little garden update. And oh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let me tell you or show you my update about my rose, the pruning of rose. And here it is. Just wait a moment. We will go out there. As you can see, update for my rose. Here's the new bud, the new one. It will create new flowers. And as here also, there. Oh, so that means, as you can see here, this is the second or the third flowers. And it's late in the evening, that's why there are no more insects in there. But in the afternoon, we can see lots of bees roaming around here, sucking the nectar. These are the flowers that are bloom in this moment. So I would like to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and see you next time.